If you're one of those participating on Ruby airdrop and by now you have not gotten your KYC, don't sleep on it. There is something you need to do so that they are going to invite you for KYC. And I'm just discovering this update now. This is why I'm bringing it to you. So if you have not been offered KYC, you don't need to sit and wait for them. There is something you could actually do that is going to make them to give you KYC. Let us head over to my KYC page. I clicked on this profile at the bottom left of my screen. And from here, I select user verification. Then you select this first one that says eKYC. That should be electronic KYC. So I'll go ahead and open it up. Then I click on continue. And as you can see, I have not been invited here. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to get invited. But before that, make sure that you have completed this 30 days ownership of information. What this simply means is that you should make sure you have been mining on the Ruby app for about 30 days. So you sign up and you'll be mining for 30 days. That is just basically what you need to do. Then this exploit at least 30 rupees simply means you have to have mined about 30 Ruby. Once you've done that, it is going to check to blue. And then this one is for them. If they invite you, then this part is going to be checked blue. One thing you need to pay attention to again is that look at this KYC version is KYC 1.5. But from insider information that I'm getting right now, they are going to be rolling out KYC 1.6. And the reason why a lot of you have not gotten KYC right now is because this their KYC 1.5 has a lot of issues, a lot of bugs that they are trying to fix. And they've already done that. So they are going to be rolling out KYC 1.6 very soon. And only those that request will be getting this KYC first hand. So you need to go and do that. And you could even request KYC for yourself and request KYC for your team members also. So as you can see, these are my team members here. Let me go. I have 148 team members. I can request KYC for them. But the people that will get the KYC are only the active ones. And as you can see, 96 is what is active now on my account. So if you're one of those participating and you're mining under me, make sure you go and activate your mining. Mine actively. And if you are yet to join Ruby, you can pick the referral link in the description box for this video. So you join and start mining. Another thing you need to note again is that Ruby mining is going to come to an end very soon and the listing is going to take place. That is why you see this mining here keeps getting slower. So another halving is going to take place very soon. So once it comes down, it will have maybe probably like 2 more times and then the mining is going to cease, that people will not be able to mine Ruby at all again. So make sure you hop on this opportunity right now. Now what you need to do is to click on this button at the middle. Look at this button at the middle of your screen. Once you click on it, you are going to see this place here where you have all of these options. The next thing you want to do is to click on these statistics here. So I tap on statistics and you wait for the page to load. Now, as you can see, this is it here, and they're going to put my name is the first. Yours should be displaying here, and all of this list, people that are probably under you. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on this button here. Look at this button at the top right of your screen. This button that I am displaying. So you click on it, and once you click on it, you can see these boxes are going to be checked. Look at this one, new member, all, and that. Just leave it like that. Click on apply and wait for it to load. So after it loads up, you are going to apply for the second time again, but this time around you are requesting for the KYC for your member. So it has loaded up, then you click on it, and this time around you change this place to old member, then you click on apply. Once this is done, automatically you are going to be added to the list. So immediately they release KYC 1.6 for people, you'll be among the first to get it, and you might probably receive a notification here once they invite you. So as you can see, I'm not getting a notification here because I have not been invited yet. So make sure you go and complete that right now, so you'll be added to the queue of people that will be getting KYC first hand. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so. Turn on the bell icon so you get notifications whenever we upload a new video like this. And I do drop updates like this and updates on that airdrop. So make sure you join my Telegram channel so you can stay in touch.